Welcome friends. In this video, I am going to tell about arbitrary arguments. What is arbitrary arguments? In my previous video, you have already seen that how if there is a variant number of arguments I am passing, then there is going to be one problem. What is the problem? If there is a two arguments are passing, you have to declare the number of argument. If there is a three arguments are passing, you have to declare three number of arguments. But if there is a 10 number of arguments are passing, it is very difficult to declare the 10 number of arguments with value. Okay, so that's the problem. So here I am going to how we can handle the variant number of arguments. If the arguments are more than 1, 2, 3, then how could you do this by helping of the arbitrary argument. The arbitrary argument is based on pointer args, how it is generally going to be work. So first of all, we go through the points. If you do not know how many arguments that will be passed into your function, then add a star before the parameter name in the function definition. You have to add the star, okay, before the function definition. This way the function will receive a tuple of arguments and can access the items accordingly. Okay, so let's see how it is handled. Suppose there is a def function and there is a name. Okay, there is a name, and inside the name I have given pointer args. Okay, and after args you have to here print that particular statement. Suppose your younger child name. Okay, so suppose there is going to a one statement. I am going to passing the three names. Okay, three names here. ARGS args of what? That's a 2, 1, 3. You have to define here. So here I am passing three name. Okay, for younger child. That is a first is Ram, Syam, Hari. Okay, three names are I am passing here. So individual, the strings are individual, not one. Okay, Ram, Sam and Hari. So when you are going to run it, okay, and see what happened. So here shows you Sam. If there is given as a 2, okay, if there is given your younger child name is args 2, so it helps you to show you as a Hari. Okay, if your younger child name is suppose 3, 0, 1, 2, that's a Hari, means here is the Ram is 0 index, Sam is the 1 index, and Hari is the second index. If you want to print 0 means here which index? Ram index. Okay, so in this way you can access variable number of arguments while you are passing in a function, and you no need to define that number of arguments which are going to pass in a function definition. Okay, so if you don't know how to pass, this is the message. Arbitrary arguments are often shorthand to args, pointer args in Python documentation. Okay, this is the Python documentation. You already mentioned arbitrary arguments. Please remember this point. If there is a variable number of arguments are going to be passed, you have to use arbitrary arguments. Fine. Okay, if you like this video, please share with your friends and family, and please subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon. When I am going to upload any future videos, you will get the notifications. Thank you.